A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Maswera. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this evening, we need to take a look onto this, which is right here onto the screen. Screenshots from alleged WhatsApp messages. And on these screenshots, pane yakanzi iyona Moses Mashero. Macomrades ngatitorei city iro ndakumbirisa dzamisai pfungwa zvataitirwa nemurume uyu munozodei. Then Mandikonewa replied and said, Munhu wese asingadi kuvhotera ZANU PF, Scot must be driven out of kuMabvuku Tafara before the 9th of December so that they don't vote. The youths must wake up and work for the Revolutionary Mass Party, ZANU PF. Triple C should come back home after elections. The time for preaching is over and we're at judgment time. Musisi wese pasi naye. They mustn't vote these sellouts. To hell with them. So this is what Mandikonewa said in this conversation. And the numbers are there. They are actually there, which means if the authorities need to make some investigations, they can make some investigations into these allegations and see. So it's said that we have lost some comrades in Mabvuku, but we continue to see some people inciting violence like this. There's no need for us to fight for politicians, because the people we are fighting for, they'll just get into power, loot, make money, and leave. And someone tells me Shavangu is a Triple C member. Okay, so ZANU PF will never be forgotten and voted again. You see how callous these idiots are. How on earth do they decree that opposition members must be chased out of their homes so that they don't vote? And they claim innocence when opposition members are abducted and murdered. These animals are vile witches. Okay, so these are the contributions and engagements here, right on this. My question to the viewers and listeners is, what do you think about this? How can we possibly end this kind of nonsense? Because to me, it doesn't make any sense. How can we have an election when other people are not allowed to actually cast their votes? So the violence we also in the rural areas is now being escalated to the urban areas, and it's so sad, Team Zimbabwe, to not kuti ndozvinhu zviri kuitika. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. Let us meet another episode, another podcast. In the comment section, please let us talk. What do you think?